What's up, guys? It's Pankaskanda here, and today I'm going to show you how to install browser extensions in Opera. First, go to the site addons.opera.com. Then you will get into a site called Opera Add-ons, which is Opera's site for extensions. Go to the Extensions tab, and you will find tons of extensions you need there. Click on the extension you want to install and click on Add to Opera and wait until it finishes downloading and installing. After installing, a small box will pop up, and click on the cube-shaped icon at the top right, and you'll be able to use your extension. That's it, and thanks for watching.